Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I wanted to show you the paintings that I made last night at the Art-a-polosa on the Artist Haven channel. I will have the link below. You guys really need to go check it out. It's so much fun. There's like 5 different artists doing different things all at the same time. So much going on. So much fun. So here's the first one I did. It was, both of them are bloom technique and then spun out on a Lazy Susan. So lots of gorgeous color and lacing. It's not 100% dry, but it's almost completely dry. So that spinner really gets the extra paint off. It's really cool. Oh, and check out this. Actually, I have it turned the wrong way. Okay. How about that? I love the gold bubbles lacing and all the other lacing. I love the colors on this. This was a cute little fun one. 6-inch square, gallery wrapped. Love it. And this one is an 8x10. So there they are. It was so much fun. So check out the video and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.